How to fix Netflix streaming not working. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Netflix streaming not working. The first thing you want to do is check if Netflix is down. For this, you can open up any web browser and head over to downdetector.com or any similar websites. Now, you want to check if there is a widespread Netflix outage. If there is, you want to wait for a couple of hours. If not, then let's move on to next step. Next thing you want to do is restart your Wi-Fi router and device. You also want to restart your phone or whichever device you're using. Next thing you want to do is clear Netflix app cache. For that, open up settings. Now tap on apps. Now tap on Netflix. Here tap on storage and tap on clear cache. You can also tap on clear data and delete the application's data. Once that is done, open up Play Store or App Store, search Netflix. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This is going to remove any bugs in the app. If that doesn't fix your issue, you want to check your internet speed. If your internet is slow, you want to switch between Wi-Fi to data. You can also move your device closer to the router. If you have any VPN or proxy enabled, make sure to disable that. You can also try to log out and log back in. If nothing else works, you want to simply reinstall Netflix. For that, uninstall the Netflix app, then head over to Play Store or App Store and then reinstall it from here. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.